Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn on the dark theme in your OneDrive app, whether you're using it on Windows, Mac, or right from your web browser. By the end of this video, you'll know how to give your eyes a break, make files easier to look at, especially at night, and even give your workspace a more modern vibe. Let's jump right in. So first things first, let's get OneDrive ready to go. If you're on a computer, look down at your taskbar on Windows or up at your menu bar on a Mac. You should see a little cloud icon from OneDrive sitting there. If you don't spot it right away, take a moment and check any tray or hidden icon areas. It might be tucked away, especially if you have a lot of apps running. Once you find that OneDrive Cloud, go ahead and click on it. This opens up a little panel for quick access. Right here, look for the gear icon. It usually sits at the top right or in the corner. Clicking this gear is your gateway to all of OneDrive's settings. Okay, now that you're in the OneDrive settings window, you'll see a bunch of different categories and options. What we're looking for is the Settings tab. Sometimes it's already selected, but if not, simply click on it. Within this section, keep an eye out for an option labeled Theme. This might be listed on the left side or somewhere in the middle, depending on updates or your operating system. It's worth mentioning that Microsoft sometimes tweaks their menus, so don't stress if it takes you an extra second to find it. Now here comes the fun part, selecting your theme. When you hit the theme setting, you'll be presented with three main options: dark, light, or something like system default, which follows whatever appearance you've set for your overall computer or browser. If you choose dark, your OneDrive interface will switch over to a sleek, eye-friendly look. This is really handy if you work at night or just prefer the softer contrast. The light mode brings everything back to the classic look, clean and bright for daytime use. And if you pick system default, OneDrive will mirror the theme settings of your Windows, Mac, or even your browser, updating automatically if you switch from dark to light mode elsewhere. Take a moment here to choose the option that best fits when and how you use your device. If you're someone who switches between themes depending on the time of day, System Default is a set-it-and-forget-it setting. It'll keep your OneDrive in sync with the rest of your computer without you needing to think about it. And don't worry, if you ever want to change things up, you can come back to this menu at any time and try a different setting. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've given your OneDrive app a brand new look that's gentler on your eyes and perhaps a bit more stylish too. As someone who spends a lot of hours organizing files, I can say the dark theme really helps reduce eye strain, especially during late work sessions. If this walkthrough helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button. If you ran into any snags or if you have tips of your own to share, leave a comment below. I always love seeing the community help each other out. And if you want more easy guides like this, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.